In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add ChatGPT extension in Chrome browser. So let's get started. First, open Chrome browser. Now go to Chrome Web Store using web address chromewebstore.google.com. Now at the top, you will find a text box for searching extensions and themes. Just enter ChatGPT sidebar and hit enter. So this is the extension that we are going to add. Click on extension to open. Now click add to Chrome button. On pop-up, click add extension. Just wait for a couple of seconds and this will add the extension to Chrome browser. Once installation gets over, on the toolbar click extensions icon. Now pin ChatGPT sidebar and file uploader. Now whenever you open any website, just click on this ChatGPT extension and you can enter a prompt to get the desired output from open website. So that is how you can add ChatGPT extension in Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.